Morning, let's see what daily profits. Today is August the 4th. And just wake up this morning and there's already some movement in the market before the market opens this morning. So what I'm looking at is ENVB. This stock did a crazy move yesterday. Let's go back. Pull up the 2-minute chart on this one. So in the afternoon, it came from $7 and just went all the way up to $14.87. This is a huge move. And now, as you can see, it pulled back. Now it's trying to move back towards there. 1487. But when I look at the daily on this one, it has room to $20. So here's where it closed at. So there's room up to $20. And if it break 20, we can definitely get a push to 30 and get a nice continuation here. So that's a possibility. It is a low float also. So definitely going to keep an eye on that one. And also we have QNRX. This one did a crazy move yesterday. I stopped trading it thinking the move was done for and it was going to pull back, and unfortunately the move was not done. So if you see this here, scrolling a little bit, looking at the 2 minutes. So it pushed all the way up to 14. It pulled back and consolidated and then broke 14 and went all the way up to $28.11. And just this move here from 250, from 256 to 322. So about 30 minutes, it just went parabolic. And as you can see, pull back and consolidating. So if it stopped moving, there's definitely a good chance it can break 28 and continue. So definitely going to keep an eye out on that one this morning. But I won't be chasing it because this thing has some serious pullbacks. And in regards to today, we do got some gappers today. NVIV. So this one is gapping up about 100%. It is low float. I have about 1.3 million share float, and it's moving. I don't see any news on it right now, but when it's gapping up like this, there's a potential for it to continue higher, especially on regards to the float as people start buying into it. So it came from 489 and went all the way to $11. So there's a potential if volume accumulates and it break that 975.10 area, it can keep going, And I definitely want to be there to take advantage of that. And let's see. Oh, XUR, no. NVC. NVC is up by 52%. So I'll definitely keep an eye out on this one. See what we can do also. But that's about it. That's really interesting to me this morning. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. As you see, QNRX start moving right now. Got some volume coming into it. Spreads are wide. At this moment. So we'll see, it's only 7:35. So, and they will eventually get tighter. So we'll see what happens. But I definitely going to keep an eye out on this one. Looking for an opportunity to get a good entry and to just ride the wave. It hits $28 yesterday. I definitely think it can break that area and continue even higher. There's a big possibility it can do that. See, you're looking at the spread right here in the level 2. It's a 50-cent spread basically. And sometimes get wider, so now it's getting closer. Want to buy over 19. So it's pushing now. If you see 1964, 70 is 20. It has range. So let's see if we can get a continuation here. Only bought 1,000 shares. It's 21. I see 21's about to get printed. 2090. The spreads are still wide. Got close right now, so let's see if we can break 21. I'm only holding 1,000 shares. Spreads are crazy wide right now. So 50-cent spread, as you can see. So I want to see if we can get back positive. And then get that continuation to take place. Pre-market high for QNRX is at 21. So just above, just at that 21 level, that's the pre-market high for it. So if we can go ahead and break that, that would be great. And then I'll add as it continue higher. But I'm still holding only 1,000 shares. I want to add over 22. That's my add area. And then I'll keep adding as it moves higher because I definitely think we can get a test of back at 28 today. So we'll see what happens. So it's basically consolidating and hovering around this area here. This white line is where it previously closed at, which was at 1980. So it's hovering, it comes up, down, up, down. So what we want to see is some volume. And once we get volume, we can definitely get that continuation move to the upside. So that's what you want to see. STAF is moving. So on the buy for the break of 50. Let's see, get that continuation here. Nope. Is this a false breakout or do we get continuation? He comes back over 50. And QNRX is moving towards $21. And STAF is about to be over 56. Let's see, get that continuation. So it put up a high of 482. I see 55. 59, 60. Huge seller. At 49 for STAF. So I want to see if it can break that area and could get a continuation. I see QNRX is breaking 21 right now. So put up a high of 2150 and want to see if we get that continuation to take place for QNRX. It's 22 for QNRX. 23. It's hitting 23 for QNRX. As you're looking at this chart here, you're seeing that. It's printing 23. Let's see if it could break 23. Well, continuation. It broke 23. Twenty-three, 27, 23, 28, 23, 85, 24 is printed. We're getting some real volume. Missed my ad. 24. I want to add over 25, 26. Pulling back right now. Huge pullback. But long wicks, as you can see. But using the non-moving average as bounce. So let's just see if we can get that continuation. Comes a pop up again. Some huge buys at 23 that I just saw printed. And as you can see, it's moving back up. Break of 20. Let's see if we can break back above 24 for continuation. Here's back at 24 again. Meeting some resistance around that area. Half off right now. And I'm going to keep the additional 500 to add into the move. Big push to the downside. And then big pop right back up. You see this candle? Huge candle. It's pulling back on low volume. 150 is where I'll take my exit at if it breaks below it. But I do see this is a nice pullback, but I do want to see a nice pop in regards to volume now, so we can get that continuation. Here we go. That's the pop I was looking for. Let's see if we get that continuation take place. Seeing if we can get a continuation here. So it has a bit, it's not 8 o'clock yet. And as more brokers get open, we tend to get that volume to come in after. This is the second day QNRX. So usually you get a first day pop and then a second day continuation. So definitely interested in what QNRX is going to do today. STAF is moving back up also. Buyers coming in regards to QNRX. Spreads are crazy wide, as you can see. So you have to be very careful in regards to your entries on a stock like this, because as soon as you entered, you can be down at least 50 cents a share, 25, 50, or even more. All right, it comes 8 o'clock. Pausing for now. I'm still going to hold this position. My stop is at 2150. If it breaks below the 21 moving average, 2150 is my stop. So if it gets there, I'll definitely exit. But if not, I'll definitely add for the break of 24. So we'll see what happens. Well, momentarily pause, because as you can see, start breaking out. So it hit 25.35. So seeing if we get continuation, and I want to add into this continuation here, because I definitely I definitely see $28 getting broken today, and even pre-market. 25.72. I saw 25.72 on here. So we'll see what happens. Red candle, but it just shows you how volatile this stock is. Long range candles. This candle alone had a high of 24 and a low of 21. It's just crazy how this one is trading. I tried to add for the break of 24. I only got filled 38 extra shares. And here it comes back again for the high. Or locking some profits. So only working with about 200 shares. HSCS is also making a nice move here. It did a huge move yesterday. Look at the 5 minute. It got halted and resumed, broke its all-time high, and just continued higher. So this one is definitely interesting to keep an eye on today also. So I'll definitely be watching that. So QNRX pulled back to the 21 moving average. So seeing if it holds here above 23. I'm just going to pause it for now. And if it falls below it, I'll definitely go ahead and take my exit. All right, you have some stocks popping on news. EFSH, I don't see no news on this one, but it does have a high, all-time high of 690. So if it starts moving, I will definitely be interested in it. NVIV, What it is volume. SOPA, nice break of 2. News came out this morning on it, so that's why it's moving. Likely for the break of 50, see if we can get continuation. C51 got printed. 55 was the high. I just pull them back. I did buy a little high though. So seeing if this is a 1 minute pullback for continuation. If not, I'll definitely be taking my exit. So let's see if that can take place. It needs to break back over 50 for that continuation to take place. Let's see, 55 was the high, so it needs to break above 55. 65, 70, nice. Not bad. Getting out the remainder. See, big red candle after that. So nice little profit on that one. MAIA just popped. Huge, big candle. This one has been trading for about 5 days so far. Popped all the way to 964, pull back. So there's definitely a potential that we can get I move back towards those 7 levels and can definitely might be able to get a continuation. So we're going to keep an eye on that one just in case that happens. It's a nice pop, nice pulling back. Still holding QNRX. EFSH is making a move. All-time high for EFSH is at 690. Spreads are a little bit wide. So I'm going to start looking for a pullback, push move to add a start in, but if not, I'll start with smaller amount of shares to get, just get my feet wet. See, I missed that entry here. It's pulling back. All-time high is at 690. About at 691. See if we can get continuation. 630, 40, 50. Ooh, 7. Spreads are a bit crazy. So 743. Hit a high of 743. See if we can come back above that area here. If not, become 7 again. Looking for the break of 743. See if we can get that continuation. Heavy sellers at the top. Big red candle. First pullback. So EFSH have a 3 million share float. Yeah, but if this doesn't hold, then I gotta take my exit. Yeah. Spreads are a bit wide though. That's why I'm not liking. See, we get a push back above 6 and 7 here. Here it goes. Like I said, spreads are wide. So this thing has a range. So I'm still holding to see if we can get a pop. Big pop in regards to the volume, and then volume went away. So in order for us to move back high, we need a pop in volume. Did not really like that big red candle. Seems that I'm having trouble getting out of this trade.
For calling Capital Markets Elite Group. Please listen carefully as our menu options. All of our customer service representatives are currently helping other customers. Your call is very important to us.
How you doing? I was calling because it seems that I'm having issues getting out of a trade. I'm not getting any fills in regards to it. Yes, hello. It seems that I'm having issues getting out of a trade that I'm in, and it's not letting me exit in regards to me. All right, so unfortunately, my platform, my broker is having some issues in regards to the platform. So they are experiencing some issues that have affected buying power calculations. It has resulted in rejection slash restriction of the platform when placing orders today. They are working it. They are working on it right now at this moment, but I'm stuck in EFSH. I can't get out of it, but that's fine because the the price that the money that is lost, it's they put that back into your account because platform issue. So that is fine. So they said keep trying. I called them and they said just keep trying throughout the day. To exit out the position throughout the day. But yeah, so I can't exit out this one right now because they having some platform issues. But it's okay. That money go back into my account. The NVIV. That probably will do. Is it gonna halt another one? Is it gonna break 9 now? Can we get a break of 9? Needs to break above 70 or not. Ah, it came all the way back down. That sucks. Coming back up again. Buyers coming back up again. Here it goes. Yeah, I see that. Here he goes. He needs to break back above the VWAP for continuation to take place. And NVIV coming back up. Becomes a break of 9. 934 is the high. Yeah, let's see if it chases it. As long as it holds 9, then that's definitely a possibility it could push. Oh, here it goes. Nice push to the high. Oh, move up. Hold level moved up. Let's see if we can keep pushing. So more buyers are going to jump into this. Here comes 45. Here comes the hold at 45. And IVI is about to resume. Comes 1043 is the high. Let's see if we can break it. Yeah, here it comes. Ooh wee. Look at this move. $11.25 is the high. Pre-market high for it. $10.80. And if it continues. Yeah. Okay. Here comes 11. Ooh wee. 11.25. That's the pre-market high. Let's see if it continues higher. NVIV. And here comes the hold at 25. They might run like QNRX did, but I'm not too sure. Let's see, resumption 11.7. Okay, this table is 12. Let's see if we can break back above 12. Here's a break above 12. Come on. Okay, here's 12. 1243. Oh my goodness gracious. 1288. It's about to halt again. Ooh wee. Here's 13. I think it has room up to 20, guys. 1341 is the halt level. That's the next halt level. Ooh wee. Is there another halt coming? 77. Any takers on the next halt? I have about 800 shares left. So I'm going to hold and see if we can get another high. Huh? Yeah, it's going parabolic. So it broke above the daily 200 moving average. So you're probably going to get a pullback here on this red candle, and then it might just pop all the way back up again. Like this thing is strong. All right, is he gonna push back up? Here it goes. Let's see if we get continuation. Me out. Yeah, that long candle to the downside stopped me out. Gonna get halted down now. BRSH is moving up. Like to break at 65, 69. Let's see, you can break 69. Here's 70. Let's break 70, man. Yeah, so he broke pre-market high. STAF is moving. STAF is making a move towards pre-market highs. And it's about to get halted. Let's see if we can keep moving higher. Yeah, I see that. Beautiful flag pattern though. Here comes the breakout. Let's see if we get continuation. It needs to break above 13 though. Comes 80, 5. Let's see if we can break above 13. Comes 13. Needs to break above 13 for that move to happen. 13, nice. Oh, it's breakout. That was nasty. I got caught in that one. I got caught in that one. Yeah, you cannot. Y'all boys keep an eye out on NERV. You heard me? NERV for the break of 4. Let's see continuation. Or 12. Spreads are a bit wide though. Pause break. FRGE is about to resume. Yeah, nice move. Let's see, get a continuation. Oh, it's coming back down. That money back to me, but it was just like a $10,000, loss that was not necessary. You know? Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, it was a nice move. 83, 86, 87, 90. Ooh wee. Let's go. Can it break? Can it break one? Let's see if it can break $1. 97. Let's see if it can break $1. Come on, let's break that dollar. Dollar make you holler. Buy that one. Let's see if we can push higher. Okay, here comes one. Nice move. 1948 is getting hit for QNRX. Nice holding. Yeah, I bought 1,000 shares into it. Ooh wee. That is nice. I I only have 600 shares left. I already jumped out. I only have 600 shares left. Yeah, exactly. Hold on, I'm still not out. I'm up $9,000 on it. Yeah, it's 21. Can it hold again? 28. Comes the hold. Okay. This time I'm gonna buy 20,000 shares. So it's 1727. High is 20. I see 2029, 2038, 45. Let's see we get push. See if we continue. I sold all my shares. I'm out. Oh no! I should have just. I sold way too early. Ah, great. High high is 2150 forward. Alright. Here comes resumption on OG 8. Let's see where it resumes. If it didn't resume right now, then it could be a 10-minute halt. 10-minute halt. Yeah. I'm keeping my hands. Okay, 20. Yeah, I see that. Man. Yeah, I gave some back. Man, I thought it was gonna 128. I paused for a second, thinking it was gonna go ahead and continue. Unfortunately, did not. So gave some money back. GRNQ is about to get halted for the break of 3. Can it break? Can it break 3? 95 was printed. 99, 3. The market high for it was around 308. You hear me? Yeah, 308 is pre-market high for this one. So let's see if what happens. Here comes 3. Here comes 3 again. Let's see if it breaks above 3. 90. Giving it some time. Oh, nope. Yeah. It comes back. No. Yeah, that definitely sucked. Comes 70 again. Can it retest? Oh, here comes the retest. Let's see if we can push back up. It's 79. Here's 80. Can we get continuation? Needs to break above 83. Yeah, big buyer. Here comes 85. Here comes 90. Okay, here comes 3. Let's see if we can break above that area. Okay, he's 3. Let's see if we can break 3. If he breaks 3, we can definitely get a nice run. Here comes 3, 308. Let's see if we get continuation. 311, 313. Let's see if we can keep going. Can we keep going? All right, right back underneath 3 again. Let's see if we get a retest. 305. See if we get continuation. 315. Let's see if we can continue higher. Needs to break above 15. Here comes 15, 16, 20, 22. Come on. 15. Let's break higher. Okay, he's 19. Let's see if he can break above 20. 19, 20, here it goes. 21, 25, 29, 30. Here we go. Insane. 55. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was wondering. So basically, I'm break even on this trade. Only made $43. Keep an eye out for HSCS. Yeah, that's the thing. Here comes the halt for it. You're gonna be halted at 80. Yeah. Okay, I see 311. Okay. Wipe. 313. Want to do it 314, 15, 24, 30. Here's 44. Here comes the halt. Let's see if he halts at 44. Let's see if he halts at 44. Not halting, but they still moving up though. I see the ass is moving high. Here comes 34. Here comes 25. You'll get continuation next candle. But if not, we'll be all out. I still have 1,000 shares at 284. So let me see. All right, I'm all out. Alrighty, calling it a day. Green today, so that is a good thing. Traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stocks. Out of 11, I'm green on 7 of them. Out of 4, was a nice. It was a nice day today. My biggest winner came from NVIV. So this one was doing a really nice run. As you can see, it came from $7 all the way up to 13. Sorry, it went all the way up to 13.76, and I was buying into it in this range, getting out, getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, all the way to the top for this one. So this one was really nice and made the bulk of my profit on that. And also the next winner for me was FRGE. Um, I was watching it, as it was pushing up, but I couldn't gauge my entry points. So I entered as it got halted, and then got a nice exit, almost top tick my exits, and that was a really good winner for me as it was breaking up. It broke 9 and then came right back down. So that was really nice. Other than that, got HSCS, QNRX, OG. Gave back some profits on OG on that third halt. Got in as it was halting for the break of 1. Got in at 80. Got in around the 80s. The first halt. This first halt. High 77. It opened up. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it opened up here, and then I got out, and then again it pushed up for the break of 1. I got into this one and exited, and then got back in again, and then gave some profits on the third halt. So, but overall, it was still a good move in regards to that. And after that, took some trades pre-market EFSH. It was having some platform issues this morning, so that $10,000 loss is going to cut by half, as I wasn't able to get out of it until the actual market opens. So basically, bought it for the break. I bought it for the break of 7, if I'm correct. Let's see. Yeah, 691. Bought it for the break of 7, and it's 743. It couldn't hold it and pull all the way back down. Was looking for an exit, but couldn't exit because the broker was having some platform issues this morning. But that would be credited to my account. Basically, half of this $10,000 loss. So basically, instead of $35,000, $30,000, it'll basically be a profit of $35,000 today. So a good day, and market's really, really, really going good right now in regards to the small caps. So you are seeing moves every single day right now. So it's good. I'm putting gas to the pedal. Anything I see moving and it looks good, I'll definitely be going into it, and that's what I've been doing so far. It's been pretty good. And then, you get a little quiet time in regards to the market. Sometimes it gets quiet again and then picks back up. So looking forward for this momentum to continue into tomorrow and hopefully the whole month of August. But Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow.